Students, welcome to your English grammar class. In my previous sessions I started with this chapter future tense, and we finished with simple future tense, and also we finished with future continuous tense, and today we will be doing future perfect tense. Okay, so when do we use future perfect tense? It is used to express an action which will be finished before a certain time in the future, means a certain time frame is given, so before that action will be finished. So for example, I shall have seen the rugby match before you come home. That means this is showing that time frame, like before you come home I will have seen that match. He will have taken tea by tomorrow. By now. See the sentence structure for a future perfect tense: subject plus will or shall. It is future, so definitely this helping verb will or shall will be used, and plus have plus verb in the third form and other words. So now the only thing, like I told you all in the previous sessions also, by default with I and we use shall, and with he, she, it and they we use will. So subject will shall plus have plus verb in the third form and other words. Let's see exercise K. Rewrite the following sentences into future perfect tense using the time phrase given in the brackets. Okay. For example, Vijeta will be reaching at Kolkata now. Okay, so you have to use this word and reframe. Vijeta will have reached at Kolkata by now. First one, I shall return your money before you ask. So I shall have, you have to use this before you ask. I shall have returned your money before you ask. You have why returned? Because you have to use the verb in the third form. You can try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to the negative sentence. Negative sentence, again subject plus will shall plus not. Why not? Because we have to change it into negative. Have and verb in the third form again and other words. See exercise L. Again with I and we we use shall, and you, we, he, she, it we use will. First one, they will have practiced well before the match starts. So they is the subject, will we have used with they, and we have to add not before have to make it into negative form. So they will not have practiced well before the match starts. She will have gone to Delhi before next Sunday comes. So again she subject, will and we have, so we need to add what between these two? Not. She will not have gone to Delhi before next Sunday comes. You can try doing the remaining ones on your own. Moving on to interrogative sentence, yes no type. Yes no type, so helping verb first, followed by subject, have, verb in the third form and other words. I, we, shall, and you, he, she, it, they will. So let's see, complete the following table. We shall have completed the work by evening. To make it into negative, we shan't. Here we have used the contracted form of shall and not, that is shan't. We shan't have completed the work by evening. And to make it interrogative, shall is the helping verb, so it will come before the subject we. So shall we have completed the work by evening. See the second one. Here they have given the interrogative form, and you